vlog. You hear my voice? My voice got deeper. It's the Henny voice. Allstate. 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 You're in good hands. But anyway, guys, it's me right now. Of course, it's me. I don't even know how to start this vlog, guys. But I'm in my room. Jeez, I feel so stupid. Of course, you're in the room, bro. Guys, I'm so flustered right now. It's Sunday right now, and today you guys saw the last vlog where I was at Yush. Yo, Yush was like turned up. You hear the voice. This is the voice of Hennessy and screaming songs and stuff. So it was pretty late. I enjoyed myself. Now what's gonna happen now is that right now, actually 12 o'clock, there is Wet and Wild party happening, and it goes on till 8 o'clock. But I'm not going to get the party till 8. So I got up maybe 30 minutes ago. I was messing around on Snapchat. You guys can add me on Snapchat. I put that somewhere in the video, usually in the start and usually in the end as well. You know, I was messing around on Snapchat, you know, with my Snap people. And I'm just here pretty much just chilling. I intend to get something to eat pretty soon. Yeah, that's the deal at the moment, man. You know, to get something to eat really soon. Well, I need to go take a shower. As I said, I was messing around on Snapchat, so I should have been showering. I'm gonna go down to Matthew's real quick, see what we're gonna go get to eat. I kind of promised you guys a beach day, and I kind of want to do that. But if I don't do that today, it's definitely gonna be tomorrow, nonetheless, because there's a beautiful beach down there. I don't even know if anyone's keeping count. We probably don't even have enough subscribers to be like, yo, how many beaches did I go to this year, guys? And then if somebody says, oh my god, you went to 10 beaches. Yeah, I don't have those subscribers as yet, but I went to a few beaches. I want to go to this one, and yeah. So that's a pre right now. You guys will see us going in town or whatever it is, and then, you know, getting something to eat. Yo, fam, like I had malt in the fridge, and look what happened. This is what. Oh, someone's calling me. My phone's gonna drop off the egg if I don't get it. Oh, my thing. Yo, fam. I'm not reach it. Oh, what? You ready now? Alright, me a forward now. You beat? You think you say you're gonna beat? Alright, me a forward. So clearly I can't show you guys what happened inside the fridge. I'll save that for the next episode. Yo, so we in like close to the area where the water party's gonna be kicked off.
It is illegal to accept certain cash transactions over $1 million Jamaican dollars. Their timeline program is 1 o'clock.
Buddy, right there, selling water guns and stuff. People selling water guns. Yo, it's gonna be lit today, bro. It's gonna be a turned up party. It's like 12 o'clock in the day. Like people are not gonna be showing out right now. But like in the next few hours and stuff, like later on, people will be turning out. Look at these people. Selling more stuff. More water guns and stuff. Yo. Turn up today. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Body right, girl, body alright. Yeah? That's enough of that today, man. Fret not. Especially when we go to go with the GoPro in the water. Don't know. Mad thing. Usual police them stop me. Alright, so I just got to Matthew's real quick. And it was funny, you know, I saw somebody that I knew from a while back, you know, and then he was like, he don't know. Like, I remember his face, because I'm good at people's faces. Even if it was like 10 years, 20 years ago, whatever, how long it was, I can remember people's faces. Well, go on, Terry. So, I want to look good at me, come down here so like this.
This is not look good. I want this people. Yeah.
But yeah, we're just there, so now I'm going to ease it back a little bit and, you know, check what the pre-go before today. Yo, police, stop me now, dog.
Alright.
I just spot checks today, but you know, for me see them here, you know, well, go stop me. I be your hype car and stuff. Me see stop Beamer. Everything, I say, see it, yeah? I eat. Yo, there's somewhere I don't even know which bar would it start, sir. Is this Sweet Spice Restaurant? I see the food really good or the spice really sweet, I don't know.
Rice, no vegetable.
What you have, boy?
White rice.
Just white rice?
Fried chicken. With curry gravy.
What you have, mash up, brother?
PFT curry gravy.
Seriously? I guess I up to one nuggets. I respect nuggets. I shouldn't have every like that.
Fried chicken, white rice, curry gravy.
The innocent now still the vibe kind of different now, so I'm not gonna lie. Feel kind of like in our little dungeon restaurant kind of pub bar thing. I feel like an American vibe, don't you? So I feel so. Feel kind of American-ish in our way. Can't even explain it. See people are dying and things, you know. Unique food smell, but still. So what's gonna be popping for that? Cause I'm hungry.
Easy walk down.
We set up over here, so man them and thing and the man them there, so I go and do some food. That thing. Man, I Gucci man and everything Gucci, you know.
You don't want that to me?
The man and them anything that Gucci, you know. No. The guy is very well exercised. Center. I'm a new dirty ginger down there, so this man always mix ginger beer and soda with my kids anyway, so that's my way. Eat, yeah? I eat, you know? You gotta talk about that, make it tasty. Thank you. So, I had a sip of this first. And at first I thought I was like, yo, no, but I tried it again a while ago and it was pretty good. It was really good. For me personally, whenever I go to KFC, when I do my filling in my cup, I normally used to either get like Pepsi and then throw ginger beer on top, right? Or maybe like a Tropicana Pepsi with ginger beer, because I like ginger beer in my soda. So this is kind of convenient. Hopefully it lasts, or maybe then put it out every other season or so. But who knows? But so far it's really good. I like it. I eat. The next juice of the summer like there. Yeah. Fresh fruit. I got 2 of those in my fridge. I like the ginger one, the pineapple ginger one.
I have one in the fridge at the hotel.
Yeah, I like that one there, but they never do nice and wash it. The tone of the day, man. Less hectic like the night. Different times in the daytime. Plus the party going to later is going to be more down. I'll give you guys a quick footage.
Super soaker.
I'm out where I grease up. Make a one stop at the roadside, you know what I mean? Eat some food real quick. That's what we're doing right now. When I friend him I try buy a ticket for Wet and Wild. Wet and Wild? Isn't it? Bike life. You hear the commotion already? Bike man them a go on bud. Biker boys them. People them a roll out. Yeah. I'll try to do this for you so I can like see what the atmosphere is like. It's kinda hard driving and doing this crap, but yeah. So I'm just back in my apartment, guys. And I just saw another YouTuber just now. I just saw Petite Soup. A lot of you guys probably know her. I'm very popular. But I was gonna hail her. I mean, the funny thing is I was about to like start my vlog. Well, you know, say something on the vlog, but I didn't because my hands were full. And then I saw her with her boyfriend, with her husband, and I was like, yo, I'm gonna say something. But I'm like, you know, whatever. You know, people living their life. They do whatever they're doing. Isn't it? But yeah, I just walked past them just now. They're on the same place that I'm staying, which is cool. And yeah, but what I wanted to tell you guys, yo, remember guys to always hit that like button, send a comment or something, you know what I'm saying, you know, show us that you appreciate, you know, us doing these vlogs and showing you different things, because, you know, the sad part is most persons will not be able to experience these things, because I've wanted to come to Jamaica for a very long time, you know, but now is my chance. Some person might never get the experience, and you can experience it through someone else. So, you know, I'm not saying just for my videos, your other favorite YouTubers that you like, yo, drop a like, because, you know, it's not like, yo, you're paying for nothing. Drop the like, you know, give them some support or whatever it is, and subscribe to the channels. But yeah, I mean, I don't feel like I want to change my clothes, to be honest. It's blue, and I think that's so perfect for the water party. I don't know. For those of you guys on Snap, I mean, I won't be snapping because my phone case isn't waterproof. It's the plain Jane iPhone 6, and of course it's not waterproof. So what I'm gonna do is, but I don't want to go there just buy a waterproof case. You could cheap case them for this whatever. So I'm just gonna roll my GoPro and give you guys a full load-on experience. That's why I like the GoPro. It's so versatile. It can do anything. I could probably buy my GoPro and just do everything on it. It's just that it's not so good in low light, and yeah, it doesn't have a screen.
No lie.